Hi, this is Mr. Eaton with Year 7 video lesson 1.2, which is focusing on place value. Remember to write and record some important information in your study notes section of your exercise book, and to stop the video when required to make some notes and or to complete some of the practice questions. Alrighty, let's go. So the symbols, which are numbers, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, they're all called digits, and the value of each digit depends on where it is placed in the number. Now a number can be really small or very large, so having just a look at where what types of numbers we get, we have single digit numbers, we have tens, hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and also into the millions. So I'm just going to use a number which is 126. I'm just going to write it in here, 126. So what we are going to find out is I want to find out what the value is of this 2 over here in the number 126. So the place value of the 2 is in fact 20. So let's do a couple of practice questions over here. So I want to write down the place value of the digit 7 in these numbers. So for 37 we have a 3 and a 7. So what is the value of the 7? The 7 is in fact a unit. What about 71? Pause the video and have a go at a couple of the others. Alright, well 71, so the place value of the 7 is actually 70. What about 379? Well, 379. Place value of the 7, once again, is 70. What about 704? 704. Well, the 7 is now in the hundreds column, so it is actually 700. And what about if we go jump 1 or 2, we go to F, 7001. We go 7001. What is the place value of the 7? Well, that's in the thousands column, therefore it is 7,000. That's its place value. There are a number of symbols that we use when we compare numbers. Go through them very quickly with you. The first one is the equal sign. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. So there's the equals. Or we can say 10 take 7 equals 3. This is the not equal to sign. So 1 add 3 is not equal to 5. In fact, it obviously is equal to 4. Or 11 plus 38 is not equal to 50. This is the greater than sign. So 5 is greater than 4. This is greater than or equal to. Just remember that 5 is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so 5 is definitely bigger than 4, and is or equal to 4. This is a less than value, or less than symbol, so 4 is definitely less than 5, and you can see that the 4 is at the lower end of that sign, whereas if it was greater than, you would see that 5 has got the crocodile mouth pointing towards the 5, so it's greater than. This one is less than or equal to, so 4 is definitely less than or equal to 5. And this symbol over here is called approximately. So 4.02 is approximately equal to 4. So I want you to have a go at doing these question number 6. State whether each of these statements is either true or false. Give it a go. We'll get back to you shortly. Alright, well, what about 5 is greater than 4? Is that true or false? That is absolutely true. 6 is equal to 10. Well, that has to be false. 9 is not equal to 99. Well, that's absolutely true. 1 is less than 12 for sure. 22 is less than or equal to 11. No, that is false. It's not less than 11. 126 is less than or equal to 126. We'll say that one is true. 19 is greater than or equal to 20. Well, that has to be false. And 128 is greater than 138 is greater than 137, and that has to be true. The next thing we need to look at is we need to look at the basic and numeral and expanded forms. Okay, that sounds like a heavy story, but it's not actually. If we take a value, for example, 347, we can break that down into 3 by 100 plus 4 by 10 plus 7 by 1. And that will give us 347. Have a go breaking this one down. 935. Pause the video and have a go. How'd you go? Well, let's have a look. 9 by 100 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 1. Perfect. What about this one? 4,491. Give that one a go. Pause the video. Right, how do we go? Well, we just carry on. 4 by 1,000, because now we've got thousands, that's 4,000, plus 4 by 100, that's our hundreds, plus 9 by 10, so that one over there, and finally we need to do plus 1 times 1. That is called expanded form. And of course we can go the other way around as well. So this particular question is 4 times 100, which is over here, plus 6 by 10 plus 4 by 1. So we can end up having 4 by 100 is 400, okay, plus 6 by 10 is 60, plus 4 by 1 is 4. And if we add all of that up, it becomes 464. Yeah? Alright, we'll have a go at this one. 3 by 1,000 plus 6 by 10 plus 4 by 1. Have a go. Pause the video. How did you go with that one? I'll try to trick you a little bit here. So 3 by 1,000 obviously is 3,000 plus 6 by 10 is 60 plus 4 by 1 is 4. Okay? So what have we got here? We've got 3,064. So 3064. Well done. Well, that's pretty much it on place value, and hope you enjoyed this lesson.